So today, this is what we have to do. We're gonna do a grout repair and regrout job. So it's a glass tile job, glass tile, and we're gonna regrout with the epoxy grout, spectralock. So let's see how it goes. Midnight black. And this place is huge. It's super nice. A lot of those is falling off. And what we're gonna do here, we're gonna acid wash this thing. Straight acid to eat up some of the old grout so we can put the new grout in. Let's see how it goes. It's already not good because I thought would be less pieces that will fall out like this. It's a bunch of them that we're gonna have to put it back. So now we remove all the bad ones. We acid wash. We did some cleanup on the old thin set right here, and we are about to put those back in, and we're gonna use a platinum spectralock grout, the platinum thin set. So that's a good one for a glass tile when it's not translucent. A few of those came out, 2 more in there. That's it. We gotta regrout this whole wall, the top, and all the way around this bottom. And this is the thin set that we're gonna use. 254 platinum. We're cleaning some of the tile. That's it. We gotta finish this thing today. We got a bunch more work to do tomorrow. So this is what came out. This part right here. We already put some back. And this right here. From here. So we got grout on almost everything. On top is already done. And here you can see where we put the grout, and here we don't have no grout. This spot looks a lot better now. Lo malo detenga ahí, ya está acercando el video. Será, primo. Look, that's the only way we figured out on doing the grout and then doing the cleanup, working inside the water. The good thing I have my hunting gear over here, so that's helping a lot. Or otherwise, it would be a pain in the butt. Woo! Yeah, that way. So this is the final result. It looks a lot better. Even here. We're gonna put some pictures so we can compare. Just the water is kind of cloudy, but when they crank it back up, it will clear again. Got some calcium. Somebody else is gonna come back here and soda wash this thing. Blast soda blast, or whatever you call it, to get rid of the calcium on the water line there. But the spot looks good now. he got some nice art working here.